Hi, and in this tutorial we will be focusing on the WP Express Checkout plugin and how the use of a shortcode can enable business owners to display products that share the same category or tag. The use of the category or tag shortcode allows similar products to be displayed in a neat grid. Let's jump over now to my WordPress website so I can run you through how to use the category shortcode and the tag shortcode yourself. I've now arrived in my WordPress dashboard where I have the WP Express Checkout plugin installed and activated. There's two different shortcodes that we'll look at in this tutorial. One is the category shortcode, so this will allow you to display all the products that share the same category. And then the other shortcode is the tag shortcode, and this will allow you to display all the products that have the same tag. Before we go ahead and we use either the category or the tag shortcode, we'll need to ensure that we've got a product or a number of products that have a category applied or a tag applied. So in this example, I've just created a product, it's a diary, and I'm going to add a category and show you how to use the category shortcode first. So we'll go ahead and we'll add a category for this product. So it might be office supplies, and then we'll go add new category. And now that that has been applied to this specific product, I'll just go ahead and update it. So we've now got one product that category, office supplies, has been applied to. Once you've applied a category to your product, you'll need to find the slug of that product category. So we'll go to the categories menu under WP Express Checkout, click on that, and the slug of the office supplies category is office-supplies. So we'll make note of that. I'll copy it. And then we're going to use the shortcode on a page in this example. So I'll click on that pages menu, add new. Now that I've got a page there, I can add a title. On this page, I'm going to have all of my office supplies. So all the products that are within that office supplies category. As I said, I've only added one product now, but I'll show you how you can add a few more in a second. So I'll just paste that slug because we're going to need that in just a second when we add the shortcode. So I'll bring back up that shortcode for the categories. Simply copy that, and then you can add the shortcode block. And you can paste in your shortcode. To make this one work on my site, I've got the category office supplies, so that's the slug. And I'll just replace the category slug with the slug of my specific category. So yours is going to be different depending on what you've called your category. So now that I've added that in there, I can simply publish out that page. Heading to the front end of my site, I can now see that that diary product has been added to that page. And if I had multiple products listed in that same category, they would all be seen on this page. So we'll head back quickly and we'll add a few more products to the office supplies category, and then I'll show you what this page looks like. So I'm just going to open it up in a new tab so we don't lose this page, and I'll add in this diary. Simply just click the office supplies category and update. Then when we head back to this page and we view the page again from the front end of the site, you can see that that second diary has been added in there because it shared that office supplies category. Let's head back now and we'll take a look at how the tag shortcode can be used. I've arrived back in my WordPress dashboard where I've opened up that diary product that we've created. So I went to WP Express Checkout menu, and then I chose that product from the products menu. And we're going to add a product tag this time to then use that tag shortcode to display all products that share that similar tag. So we're just going to add the tag books and simply add. And I've just gone ahead and I've added that tag to a couple of other book products that I've created. So let's go and update this product so that tag is applied. And then I'll bring back up those shortcodes and we're going to focus on this shortcode this time. So it's the tag shortcode for the WP Express Checkout plugin. And I'm going to copy that tag. From here, I'm going to add a new page. Add the title. I'm going to just have books, so products that are books I'll be adding onto this page. using this tag shortcode. So remember, just like the categories tag, we need to go and find the slug. So we'll go to the WP Express Checkout tags menu this time to find the slug of that tag. So I want to find the slug of the books tag, and it's simply the word books. So now that I know that, I can come back here and I can edit this, go books, and then I can publish out this page, and all the products that I have applied the books tag to will be shown using that shortcode. So there they all are there. I've got 4 products with that books tag, and they're displayed in this nice grid display. So I wanted to add a few just so you could see how that grid display works. Now that we've looked at how you can add a category and a tag to your products, and we've used the categories shortcode and the tag shortcode to display those products in a neat grid display, we're now going to look at how you can add some additional parameters to your shortcodes to alter things, such as how many products are displayed per page on the front end of your website. So we'll take a look at those parameters now. Let's head back to my WordPress dashboard, and we've got our shortcode here that was used to show all the products that had that books tag applied to them. So now I'm going to bring up our shortcodes notepad here, and down here I've got all the additional shortcode parameters that can be added to the shortcodes, the category shortcode and the tag shortcode, to alter certain things about how it looks on the front end of the site. So we're going to do the items per page parameter. So I'm going to simply copy that and paste that into our shortcode, and then equals, and this is where we can add how many items per page we'd like to see. So I had 4 items within that books tag. So if I only want to have 2 of those per page, I can simply add 2 in there. I'll update, and then we can view that page, and there you can see it's just added 2 items per page, and then the customer on the front end can go to the number 2 there to see the other items within that tag. Going back to my WordPress site again, if I bring back up that notepad, you can see there's some other options there of different parameters that you might like to add. So a sort by, a sort order, template, and search box. So you can add them as you desire for either the categories shortcode or the tag shortcode. Hopefully this tutorial has been useful for you, and you've learnt how you can display either your products that have certain categories or products that have certain tags in a nice grid display on the front end of your website. We've used the WP Express Checkout plugin in this tutorial, and we've used the category and tag shortcodes.